Hello crafty friends, this is ScrappingSylvia here on YouTube and Instagram. Today I figure we continue with the project. This is the piece of wood that we're going to be using, and I don't know if you can see, but it's got a little bit of a little hole here, so I'm going to fix this. So we're going to be using this plastic wood. Let's get this open, sort of like putty. If I can get it open. Okay, there we go. Just grab a little bit putty. Oh, that's a lot, but we'll see. And then just spread it here. A little too much. And then after we do this, it's just basically to fill in the hole. It's a little dry. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, so after you have enough of the wood filler, which looks like peanut butter by the way, we're going to use a putty knife. So we're just going to sort of press it down. We want it nice and flat. And then we have to wait 15 minutes to dry, and then we'll be back, and then we will do the sanding with a 180 extra fine. Okay, we're going to wait 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So now we're going to use this, and we're going to feels good, nice and smooth, no holes. That's good. Okay, now that seems pretty smooth and the hole is covered. Now we're going to use the sandpaper. That's 180 extra fine, and we're just going to sand to remove the finish on the wood, and also after we can paint it. And I'm sanding just around this, so we can make sure that we'll do that later afterwards. Actually feels smooth when you do this. We gotta make sure we get the sides. Oh, pretty cool. I have some wood shavings there, and it actually comes off, makes it softer. Maybe I'm doing it too hard. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good. And then we'll come back to it and we'll do the painting. And then this was me trying to figure out what colors to use. But anyway, okay. Okay guys, now the next step, we're going to use a primer. I'm gonna spray it. Oh my god, there's nothing in here. Shake this baby up again. I might have to go get another can. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I primed it. And now we're gonna let it air dry for an hour, and we'll be back. I'll be back later. Bye. Okay, after the primer dried, I lightly sanded it and I cleaned it with a wet paper towel. Okay, so let it dry again. Now let's just paint. We're going to be using DecoArt Americano in Slate Gray. I think this is acrylic acrylic paint and a foam brush. And I got these both at Hobby Lobby. Okay, oh, shake it a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Shake and bake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Now time for the good part, the fun part. Okay guys, so after I painted, I let it dry for an hour, and then I decided to give it another coat. And that was another hour, so basically 2 hours. Now it's nice and dry. Look how beautiful it looks. And so we're gonna try to glue this here. Follow your dreams. For the letters, I use a marker. Okay. And this is my hot glue gun that I bought a long time ago. Just gonna put a little bit here. Great. A little bit here. And what do we got here? I think that's the middle. And I'm going to put a string of glue there. That there, and the little girl here. And I painted her hair, making it look brunette, and I also painted her eyeglasses black because I wear black eyeglasses and I have dark hair. Okay, so let's glue this baby here. Okay, that's gonna go here. And then, oh, got a little bit of string here from the glue. And then this one, the little girl. She's gonna go around there. And voila, guys. Oops. A little bit of glue. That's it. It looks beautiful. I love it. All right, guys. That's it. Bye-bye.